noticed on most aftermarket tips, they do actually stick out a little bit more than the factory square tips, so we left ours full length, which they're about 3/8 of an inch further out than the factory square tips. So it has a little bit more of an aggressive look as well. Factory tips are resonated, which means they're acting like a muffler. These holes here are for the sound to go into, and there is some material in there to help absorb the sound. It's actually noticeably louder with these tips. The inside diameter is the same, so much better. I'm actually quite surprised. It sounds quite a bit louder, and I think it looks 100 times better.